Hello. Today I am going to show you how to integrate your Shopify account with MAGPIE. This is incredibly helpful because it allows you to import all of the inventory that you already have in your Shopify system, whether it's listed or not listed, and pull it into MAGPIE in order to quickly price and list it across a variety of marketplaces. So let's get started. We're going to begin by going to the settings page in MAGPIE. We're going to look at Shopify and we're going to hit the integrate button. Now, there are a few steps to integrate your Shopify account. So you can click on this, follow these instructions, which has a step-by-step walkthrough of how to do this. And of course, you can watch this video. So the next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to open our Shopify store. So this is our homepage, and we're going to go down here to apps. We're going to click on this arrow, and we're going to select app and sales channel settings. This is going to allow us to develop a quick integration between MAGPIE and Shopify. Now I'm going to hit the button that says develop apps, and I'm going to hit the button that says create an app. And I'm going to create a new app called MAGPIE Demo 2. This just shows that this is who is building it, and we're going to hit create the app. Now, once we've done that, we're going to need to configure our admin API scopes. We're going to go here, and you're going to click configure admin API scopes. There are three things that you need to search for. The first is locations. So I am going to click locations. Next, I'm going to need to read and write inventory. And then the final one is products. So I'm going to type in products, read and write products. Now I can hit save. Now that I've saved all three of those, and that configuration is saved, which is great. So now I'm going to want to go to API credentials. And it says you don't have any access tokens yet. So what you're going to want to do is hit install the app. This is going to give access to the data. We want to hit install. Now, there's a couple of key things that we're going to need to do. First, we're going to want to copy this URL, which is under my store. Make sure that it's the original Shopify store and not a redirect to your website. If you have any trouble, this is often a place where we find it. So we're going to go ahead and copy that into shop name. So next, we're going to reveal the API, the admin API access tokens. You are only able to do this once. So I strongly suggest that once you reveal it, you copy it and save it to either a password manager or a safe place. So reveal that token. Now, as you can see, there is a nice clipboard there, which will allow me to copy it. And then I am going to paste it right into MAGPIE. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back to the store, and I'm going to look for my API key, which again, there's a clipboard. I can click that right there. I'm going to put that into the API key field. And then finally, I'm going to look at the API secret key. I'm going to hit the clipboard, and I'm going to copy that into the secret key. So now I am all set, and I can hit the integrate button. And that is going to set up the integration between MAGPIE and Shopify. Now, as we can see, I have successfully set up that integration. And now I'm going to want to import my inventory. So I'm going to hit the button import. Let me tell you that this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit view inventory so that we go to our inventory screen while all of that is loading. And I'm going to hit refresh just to see how the products start to load in from Shopify. And here we go. We can start to see that I have quite a number of wax products that are being loaded. And generally what I would say is for the first, can take up to a couple of minutes. So if you don't see all of them right away, just continue to wait, that will come in. And now you have your Shopify and your MAGPIE inventory